our channel. Today we went to Target and we got Elmo dolls. They're big sister ones, not little sisters. We'll show you them, and I want you to give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Okay, so we're gonna show you our dolls. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Here's our dolls. I got this. He got Spicy Babe. That's the name. I think I got Bad Girl. I don't know how to pronounce this.
Yes, Bad Girl.
I got Bad Girl. So we're gonna unbox this.
Yes.
But first, I forgot scissors.
Yes. No.
So
I got these scissors for mine.
So our magical hand person is gonna bring us scissors. I'm gonna go first. Ripped it open.
Wow!
My show is the doll. Okay, ready?
Whoa! She's so pretty.
Ready?
Look at her.
Here's my doll. My Bad Girl, and she has drumsticks. And she's a rock girl, and then she has a pink ponytail with things, and she has her clothes in some bags, but I don't know where they are. Found them, and she has a little book.
Look! I got everything.
We're taking this out.
Look, Ava! Look, background. Oh,
My box
and
is
look,
done.
I found this too. Oh my god, this is so wow.
I've been waiting for this day for so long.
Yeah.
I mean, we just got it today, but
Oh my god, I got the hair out.
I wanted to open it so long.
Ava, look, I got the hair out.
Okay, wait,
Wait.
I'm gonna try. So it's gonna be a struggle, trying to take them out. So
I got it out.
we might need help. I don't know if we're gonna get
Yep.
help. Oh, I found the shoebox.
And look, I got a brush out.
I got a black brush. Nick
Look at this. I got two.
Those are bags. This is the
Okay.
shoebox. She has crepes heels.
Okay, where are now?
Oh, I just popped this out. This accessory, drums. I got black and green for drums. I've got the-
Oh, I got the next bag out.
Oh my god, I popped.
How did you do that?
I thought we needed scissors. I do think, for scissors we're gonna need a dog, right?
Like the drumsticks.
I got the drum set out.
Wow.
Drum set. So it's green, black, green, white.
Oh, look at her shoes.
Wait, let me see. Got her. Try not to lose the earrings, because that girl does have earrings.
Okay, I got waxes. 6. Oh, I got his down pieces.
Rossi feet. Got the legs out.
Oh, look, these are her stuff. Ava, look.
No, don't lose those, okay?
Okay.
She has a microphone. Ooh, mine has a drum set. We could do band together.
Yep. Ava, look. I'm so happy. And look what hair I got. And then look at her size.
I need to see. No, I'm gonna help you get her out because you know why? Because you can cut her hair.
Yeah.
And it's bad because you don't want to cut her hair. Okay, so you can open. Here
Look at her beautiful pussy. Look at her.
she has a little bump on her hair because I took her out and I accidentally did that. Here she is. She's so cute. She has fishnet stockings. She has this kind of
Wow,
dress.
her outfit.
Her hair is so
Her
soft.
pants.
Okay, I'm gonna open mine. Here's her
Look.
bag.
Look at her pants.
Those
What are these? What are these? I want to see what are these.
We got her little shoe thingies. Warning extra. Yeah, these are not shoes.
What? I got her jacket. Wow, look at her jacket. Whoa, look at her jacket. Whoa, look at
They're both see-through.
yeah. Oh, look at mine. So
Mine's
pretty.
see-through. See?
Are you gonna help me get the hair out?
No, I'll help you this way. Oh my god, I flung both of them. And I got
Oh my god, look, it's soft.
So I'm
The
gonna
hair is always soft.
I'm gonna help Nate get his doll out.
Yep. Now I got a box of shoes. I want to show you the shoes. I want the shoes. Whoa, whoa, look at the shoes. Look at the beautiful shoes.
Let me No. We have to. I think so. I don't know.
Up a stand.
Here, Nate's doll is. She has a red streak in her hair, and her hair is black. Her hair is also soft. I love soft dolls' hair. Be careful, don't hit yourself. And here's my doll again. So she has green hair, black.
Mom, can I help you
lines.
with this?
I'll have
Oh, I accidentally dropped.
Oh, you forgot to show her the purse. Okay, so this is my book. This is my girl's book.
What? Look, I got the earrings on her. Wait.
And
What is this thing?
And on the back it
I want
says "We worth the crowd" and "Leave and shook."
Flexible.
And other earrings, and she has her
Oh,
bracelet on.
Wait, where's I want her hands.
You put a bracelet too.
Yeah.
Is this a choke? Oh yeah, it's a bracelet. No,
Wait,
this is supposed to be a choker too because it's big on her.
Oh yeah. Two chokers are gonna go on.
Okay.
Thank
I would take her hands off, so put them back.
Okay, I always do that.
Mama, can you please also put her jacket on? Look at her jacket.
They're both see-through. They're both see-through. I like them.
Look. It's look.
Is it yours or mine?
No, yours.
Are you fucking weird? That's how you. I want to see how you stand it up. Okay, so here.
No, look at my guys.
Okay, so
I already did it about myself.
put that in. I'm gonna put it in. Okay. And where's that? Okay, where's it? It's in the.
Whoa, look at her jacket. Oh, it looks so pretty.
Is this how Cassandra is supposed to go? Is this on this?
Yeah.
Okay. I got one. And I got a second one. Oh, she has two of them. Wait. They don't have batteries. You don't need batteries.
Ava, did you remember this?
Yep.
The shoes are so pretty.
It's a red, like spicy girl. Oh.
Sure, with that sliding though. What color are the shoes?
Red and silver and black.
Because the shoelaces are silver. Mommy, look. You like it? I got her sockies on.
Oh, so
super
soft.
cute.
Yeah, it's soft. I think the warning sign is supposed to go on the back. It says, "Warning, toxic."
Toxic.
Warning top. I don't know how to put this
Horns, but they're
on. What? How do you put this thing on?
Look up in her thing.
These things are so confusing. Her things are so confusing because how do you put this thing on? Oh, I think I got that one. I think I got it. Oh, wait. How do I? Oh, I think
These pants were hard to put on this girl.
Can you?
Ava, look at her. She's ready.
She's ready to see all her new friends.
Yeah.
And we have the remix girls, and they're remix, but they are the rock remix. Okay, I'm opening the accessories.
Hey, don't make look at who I got everything on her.
Oh, look, a little stand.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's the DJ thing.
I got the
Oh, look, I told you there was a drum thingies.
I know.
Oh, look, her necklace and stuff. Wait, there's only one chain thingy? Wait, there's only one drum thing? Whoa, this is... Oh, look at her glasses.
I know those.
I love it.
Oh, look. I got. Oh my god. Wait. Oh, here, nothing dropped.
How do you... Oh, it's supposed to...
Oh no, what?
How do you pick that one?
I heard a noise. What? Hey, her hair is in the chest.
Yep, that's possible. I'm confused. I'll be right back. I just have to check something. So there's this little thing here, and I have this, and I'm going to clip it.
No, on top.
Oh,
On top, yeah.
Oh, I got her waist.
You want me to do it?
I got her waist on the
oh, here, on the
stand. Look at her.
Okay, I got it on. Oh, that's where she hits the
You
thing.
guys have some cool rocker girls.
Oh, this is a case for her drumsticks.
I want to see.
But how do you pick the
Whoa.
drum?
Look, her glasses. Hey, look.
Spicy Babe is using Bad Girls glasses.
Hello, what are you doing? You can wear my glasses.
Oh, spicy babe.
Glasses is actually
Oh, she has a microphone?
Yep.
Oh, so she's a singer? Oh, so they're in a group?
Yep. No, but on the box they're not group. There's this girl named Sugar, and that's her friend. So, cause she likes spicy stuff, like hot stuff. And then the girl, Sweet, she likes sweet stuff, cause she's bright and she's dark. See what?
Yeah, nice. Okay, let's see what we got.
And Mommy,
I got.
You see this? You see these two things here? You see the pocket things here? That's where she puts her band-aids.
Hey, how do I do this? I'm so confused.
And then
How to
she,
put
this
this
is
way?
to hit her drums.
Look at her. I'm putting the bracelet on. It's a
Oh, look.
struggle.
See this part right here? It goes right down there. So show them. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, so there's like this little open space, and I think that's supposed to go there.
I got
Oh,
one.
there it is. See? Here it goes.
And now they'll go goes on her shoulders.
Shoulder, shoulder, shoulder.
She has a lot on, so I don't know if that's gonna fit.
I
Need help?
Look at her. She's ready. She's ready to sing. Can you open it? I think it's a phone for Spicy Queen. No, it's her makeup. No, she has a little makeup case.
Oh, cute.
Her.
Your girl.
And look, Spicy Babe has her own makeup set. It's super tiny. She has pink, I think blush or eyeshadow, but they both can use it. Yep. Look at how cute she. Thank you.
Yep.
Look up. Look, I got the microphone in the hub. Oh yeah. What the? Nate, you dropped your microphone. Wait, where? Hey! Wait, I mean her person. Look, she's ready for the band, Mom. Yeah, her too. Okay, ready for watching us open the boxes for our little rock surprise dolls. And hit the bell button. Yep, hit the bell button and look. Oh, yeah. My doll's so cute. That's it for today's video. Bye.